here we are. Take two, because we lost the last footage. First of all, I want to talk about how unwell I was feeling the day of planting. That too did pass. It was just a day event. I'm totally fine. I'll turn you a bit because I don't like the wind blowing at you like that. So let's go this way. So I woke up the next day, all was well, totally fine. Just something that day, I don't know, had me weak. But I did get this garden in. As you can see, it is growing. That's fun. Yes, it is. And today I went and found a cap. Well, found a cap. This is going to be interesting. I got a gentleman to jimmy a cap for that. Now I'm going to get another gentleman to come down and put it on, see if it'll work. But let's do an update on the weedless garden. Now, let's take a look. Here are the holes that I left. So I put a stick and some black plastic down there so nothing can grow. As you can see, nothing's growing. How are we making out under that tomato? Pretty good. No weeds. Let's look. No weeds to speak of. But, and as the couple weeks go on, we are going to get some weeds in there, and we're just going to pull them if we get them. And that should be it. It will remain a weedless garden. And look at this celery. It's growing. That is so exciting. Never grown celery. I've never even seen anybody grow celery, so that's really exciting for me. And my pepper plants are flowering, which means they're turning into peppers, which is really, really cool. If you look real close, you can see some peppers there. Those were flowers. They're now peppers. And these are my hot Portuguese peppers. Yes, they are. That is so exciting, Sandra. Look, he's turning into a pepper there. And look, more peppers there already. That's so exciting. Here's the cabbage. She's growing. Oh, yes, she's growing. This is the winter, what is it? The winter squash. I got some brown leaves happening there, but all in all, we got a new leaf coming there. They're doing pretty good. Got another leaf coming up there. They're doing good. Now, here's the peas. Some of the peas seem to be doing poorly. I don't know. Look at some of these leaves. They don't look too healthy. Now, I got something pulling that over. I don't know why that would be pulled over, because I didn't plant it pulled over. So let's move it. Now, I am down here to water with my jug, because I haven't got anybody to put the fitting on for me yet. So, see anything coming here? More leaves. Yeah, there's another little leaf there coming from my cucumber. That's exciting. Haven't got no vines yet from the cucumbers. When I get them, we're going to take the vines up towards that fence. Yeah. I just love the sounds out here at night, Sandra. That's the pond over there. You can't see it because the grass is all overgrown it. But there's just different sounds that I used to hear as a kid down by the river, because we live by the river, the Grand River in Brantford. And these sounds sound like the river to me. Yeah. And I can hear bullfrogs at night, and every now and again I hear that donkey. I don't know where he is. He's over in that direction somewhere. So, we were predicting rain all day. As you can see, I've got beautiful rain clouds up there, and what are they doing? Nothing. They're all going the wrong direction for me. They're just going over top, passing by. But I gotta admit, I think the garden is looking good. There's the lettuce. Oh, it's coming good. Start picking some of those leaves from my Auntie Phyllis. She loves that leaf lettuce. Not my gig, but hey, she likes it. And this is romaine lettuce, and as you can see, it's definitely growing. And here's our tomatoes. Well, we got some little ones there, but they were little when we planted them. These ones are big. They're doing good. Doing good. Yeah, so just going to leave them in. Oh, and here's the kale. There's the green kale and the purple kale. So, and look at that. No weeds. No weeds anywhere. Oh, and these onions are doing mighty poorly. I don't know about them, but whatever, we'll leave them. Now, I gotta start. Oh, look, there's a flower on the pepper. See it? That's gonna turn into a pepper. Yes, it is. These are my sweet banana peppers that I make pickled peppers out of that my mom used to make. Oh, they are so good. Yes, they are. Now, as a little surprise, I did plant beans in here, in these empty spots, just to see if they would grow. I don't see nothing coming up there, but golly gee, what do I see? A little bean right there coming up. Yes, he is. I don't see one there. Is there one here? Let's see. No. Maybe we're just going to get one bean. Hey, one bean's better than no beans. Because I planted them right from the bean. They weren't planted ahead of time, so yeah, we'll see. I think we got one bean coming out of all those that I planted. So I'll have to cover them with plastic too. But I thought I'd drop a bean in there and, jack in the beanstalk, see what happens. Maybe it'll grow. So we got one. Hey, better than none. Okay. And my composter is doing good. So now, what I do, I'm going to show you. This great big tank. I take a bucket, and I just put it under there. Then I just open this a little bit, because that's a lot of water in there, not that fast, just slowly. And it trickles down into that bucket. And then when it fills up, oh, it's kind of dirty, I'm going to empty it right now. All right. When it fills up, then I'm going to get another bucket, put it underneath, take this bucket, and pour it into my blue jug to water the plants. I'll show you as we go along. I'll actually sit in here now, so you can watch me water the plants. I wish we would have got that rain. We did get some this morning, but just this morning. Seen the other end of town. I was in town today, and they just got poured on. It doesn't look like we got it here, so I thought I'd better come out and give these little fellers a drink before I go to bed. It's 7:58 at night, so it's not early. So I'm going to give these little fellers a drink, and then I'm off to bed. What I'm going to do now is just switch out the jug. So I'm going to take that one and put it there. And then what I do is I just pour this into here. There we go, and I got a jug full, and off I go. And I just put the jug in the hole to water. Now soon I'm going to have a hose, so I won't have to do this. And once I get the hose, things will be different. This is how I water the garden for now, Sandra. Hey, it works. It's best I got. Go with what you got, baby. This is what I got. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn this up a little stronger because I haven't got all night. No, I haven't got all night for this craziness. Because guess what's gonna come out in a few minutes? The mosquitoes! I don't want to be here when they come out. No, I don't, because they'll eat me alive. Yeah. So let's get this show on the road. Oh, clouds are coming. Okay, we got the garden all watered. So, I'm going to go back up the house now. And I'm going to make you walk with me. So you bounce around a little bit. Sit down, you'll be okay. Now I want to show you the weeds coming along the edge here where I had tilled. See all these weeds coming up? They're already coming back. But they're not coming back there, only on the edge. But they can't come through that woven weed fabric. I love that stuff. Best investment ever. Oh, and yeah, I remember on the other video I showed you my pegs came. Now I can't get this one out. Hold on. I want to pull one out so I can show you. Oh, I can't. Oh, let me try this one. Can I get it out? There. Okay, there you go. There's a woven weed fabric peg. So all you do, you stick it in the holes, then I move it in a different spot, push it down a little bit because the ground is still wet, It's very easy to put it in. I bought a mallet, but I didn't need it. Just give it a push with your foot. There it is. I've got them all along every part, plus in all the pieces of woven plastic, all the way across. They're there. So I can't see this thing going anywhere, and I've got more left. So if I feel a need that it needs to have more, I'll put them down. Now see, look at this hole here. We got some weeds coming. So we're going to get some black plastic and cover that. Yep. So there she is, all watered for the night. Hopefully we'll get more rain tonight. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I think my onion problem, I planted too many in one spot. I think I'm supposed to thin them out a little more. Oh well, live and learn. We'll do that again another time. Okay, well, let's hoofer back up to the house, Sandra. Walter didn't come down with me because it's nighttime. He's going to bed. Yeah, Walter, let me hold you tight here. Walter doesn't stay up very late. He goes to bed with the birds, let me tell you, at sundown. So he's probably in the cage on his little rung with his tail up in the air and his head down. That's how he sleeps. He's the weirdest little bird. And look, we got more vines coming. I really think they're grapes. I don't know. I hope they are. That'd be fun. Make some grape jelly maybe. Yeah. And we got some daisies. Yeah, some pretty daisies. They're all along the fence line here. There's a nice big one. Yeah, I'm going to pick a bouquet of them and put them on my kitchen table. I'll show you when I get that done. I'm lucky this week. Well, lucky, whatever. I'm happy this week that I don't have to work until Friday. I'm off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wow! 4 days off from my other job, which gives me lots of time finally to work in my garden, because we're going to do some suckering in there. I'll show you that when I do it. It's getting to be needing to be done. And there's still things I need to get done in my apartment. So this is going to be a fun week where I get to do stuff. Yes. I just go to work in the morning at my other job, and then I have the afternoon from 1 o'clock on I have off. So that's nice. Look at these bushes here, how well they're filling out. Really nice. Yeah. I really do hope they're grapes. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see any little buds on them anymore, like little grape buds. But I don't know. We'll see as time goes on. We'll see. Lots of new leaves coming. Yeah, like that's a new leaf. There's new leaves coming there. So it's growing, whatever it is. Huh? Like I said, I hope it is grapes. Okay, here's the worst part of the trek, Sandra. Going up this little hill. I know, you're going, you're such a weenie. Well, I didn't exercise much over the years. Worked a lot on the computer, so this is all new to me. But actually, it's getting easier every time I do it. Yep. So, we'll go up now and, I guess, get this video ready to put out. Yeah, there's my garden way out there. It's going to bed now, like me soon. See you on the next video, Sandra. Bye-bye.